All right. So what are we doing for dinner tonight?
We're gonna have taco salad, I think.
Yeah. And what are you cutting up for the taco salad?
I'm cutting up the rest of the avocado.
All right. So we are having taco salad tonight. Here's all of our ingredients.
Taco Tuesday.
A taco Tuesday. We don't eat taco Tuesday. We have our meat.
Already, I just finished the meat.
But yeah, so taco nacho. I don't know what it's called, honestly. But it's a nice, fast, simple family dinner. And it's fun at the same time. Oh, and also, some people like to use the shredded cheese.
I mean, I don't really mind what cheese I use. It just can't be squished.
Boom. Mexican cheese, lettuce, sour cream, different types of dips and cheese and jalapenos and
I don't like
sour cream and all that other good
remember when
stuff.
we did that truth or dare night and then Shiny was eating the jalapeno and then I had to take a spoonful of paprika.
Yep.
That was hot. I vomited. It was gross. I mean, it was spicy. More so spicy.
Raylan.
Right.
Get out of that bucket. Raylan.
Close your computer?
No, I gotta get back on. Raylan. Actually, yes, you can close it because I doubt I'm able to get back on it tonight.
Stop it. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Just move it in the laundry area.
Good job.
Raylan.
Can I start doing the table?
Sure. What did she put in her mouth?
What's he? Don't like it.
Alright, so again, we are having taco salad. Well, not like a nacho type salad.
But you
I'm
have
pretty sure
like
many of you are familiar with it. Alright, Lisa's also working on her homework. She's cut up the avocados. We're gonna see her presentation. Again, she loves to cook, she loves to be in the kitchen. So we're gonna see how she, puts all of the food out for us to create our dish. Alright, do you like the Dorito taco salad?
Yeah, I tasted it. I was saying it's good. But guys, if you don't know, either this week or next week, we'll be doing the Dollar Tree dinner and breakfast challenge thing. I don't know what it's called.
Well, yeah, we're gonna figure out what it's called. We have to put that stuff inside of stuff. We can't leave everything in bags.
I need a small
So you want to have your own restaurant? You gonna just put everything in a bag on their table and say, "Go ahead and open that up," or you gonna have a nice presentation?
No, it's called Kay's Place.
Kay's Place.
Yeah, I have to put the sign back up. So now I'm just gonna put the cheese in here.
Why are you messing with her? Go back over. Give her grandma help somebody. Go back over there.
Jesus, come on out.
You sure will be.
Now I have to try something with this then.
What is it?
The lettuce.
There's a lot of bowls up there. There's also stuff in the dishwasher. Even if you want to use some of those, if you try, you can do it. I'm sure you can. Oh, those are more like plates. Now I got that. Someone called and I love it.
That's good.
Yeah, and then
Not blind the right way.
it's okay because you have more to put still.
Hey, don't.
You have to put the other chips too.
Oh, okay.
You can put them on that same plate. Raylan. you got? Taco salad? Yummy. Fresh? It's good.